Okay, so I'm here at Longthorne Guns with the owner, who's going to tell us a little bit about sort of the unique manufacturing processes that are used in Longthorne Guns. So yeah, if you could let us know what's so special about your guns, really.
So when you look at all of our guns, one of the most unique feature about them is all of our barrels are constructed from a single billet of material. So most barrels on conventional guns would be a monoblock, two tubes, side ribs, top rib, loop soldered together, and they're joined together with solder. And so the working strength of solder is around 4 tons per square inch, and the melting point is like 260 degrees centigrade. That's the technical bit. What happens is over time they can shake loose. So a long while ago we decided that maybe there was a better way to do that so that it doesn't shake loose, and we came up with the idea of making it in one piece. And while we're talking, I'll get one off. And so we did that. And what we found when we were designing it and looking at the design of it, we thought that if it was all more rigid and it was a more rigid piece, that the recoil might be different as well. And that was just an idea at the time. And so that is just one piece of material.
Yes, yes.
And you can see there's no joints, nothing. There's nowhere for it to go rusty. There's no inclusions for it to collect water or anything like that. But because it's more rigid, the felt recoil of it's different as well.
Yeah.
So you'll get a lot of guns, because the tubes aren't perfectly straight. When you fire the guns jump, the muzzle jumps. Yeah. So with this, the recoil's much more linear. It goes straight back.
So straight back into your shoulder.
Everybody says, "Oh, it's got no recoil." It has. Yeah. It's just that it's in a very different way. So people's idea of felt recoil is when the gun hits you in the face.
Yeah.
Because you've all done it, or we've all shot a gun that smacks you in the face. This one shoots very flat.
Ah, okay.
And so you don't feel it as much because you can absorb it into your body.
Just goes straight back.
You see this, but you don't see this. So there's lots of different ways of making the guns. Different manufacturers have different ways. Some of the German manufacturers just don't put the ribs in at all. That in itself causes resonance with the tube, so the tube can do this as you fire it, so you can feel that as you shoot it. Some manufacturers have come up with an idea of gluing the centre rib in, which is questionable in my mind, but I wouldn't do it that way. No. If I was choosing a way that wasn't a solid piece, I'd vacuum braze it together so that it's a permanent joint, or in my mind as permanent as you can get. So that's the most unique feature about it. The other really unique thing about it that's not a manufacturing is that actually we make every single component in-house.
Ah, okay.
The wood, the engraving, as well? Everything. Screws, springs, you name it, we make them in-house.
Oh, wow.
So most companies buy in parts from somewhere or sub out the work, they subcontract the work of the checkering or the engraving. My wife manages everything, including me, occasionally. The engraving is designed by our daughter.
Ah, okay. So all in family, all in-house?
Yeah, all in family, all in-house.
That's brilliant.
So yeah, we're fairly unique as gun manufacturers go. There's very few of us about that actually make everything. There's some German manufacturers that make everything in-house, but very bespoke guns. And then, because although you get the unique gun and it's very bespoke, they're moderately affordable. So they start at like £13,150, including VAT, but go to whatever you would like to spend. I mean, a gun like this would be around £70,000.
Wow, yes. I mean, with a nicer engraving,
24 karat gold, and so I think that's the picture of it on the backdrop there.
So you can make it what you want, really.
You can be whatever you want.
Yeah.
And then a few other things, because we make it from one piece, we can do some odd things, like the gun up the back there has titanium,
the titanium
barrels.
Yes, I've heard of that, yes.
So, which I'll ask my lovely assistant to pass it over. Elaine, can you pass me the titanium one? It's worth, what we're going to do, because you're going to catch his reaction of the titanium barrels.
I can imagine the weight is going to be interesting on that.
So that's a standard 20 bore, which we would expect to be about the same as this.
Oh whoa. That's
Everybody's
crazy
eyes
light.
do that when they pick that up.
That is-
They go,
yeah, that's crazy light.
Yeah.
I imagine the recoil is a bit more potent, is it? Or
It is. You
Yeah.
know it's lighter,
yeah,
but because it's got better recoil characteristics,
so yeah,
you lessen some of that.
so it mitigates the. Oh wow, that's crazy.
So
Yeah, that is.
fairly difficult machining.
Well, yeah, I can-
extremely
yeah, I
difficult
can
machining,
imagine.
I would say. But
Yeah, because I guess titanium at the best of times is hard to work
Difficult.
with, but then
It
when
is.
you this sort of level of intricacy.
and the fact that it's tubular, it's only about 0.8 of a millimeter
Oh,
thick,
wow, yeah.
all the way down there. So
That's-
it has to be super consistent, otherwise
Yeah,
it'll blow up.
yeah. Oh wow, that is impressive. That's very impressive. Well, thank you for
No worries.
going through your whole sort of manufacturing processes and sharing your products with us. That's
Not
really
a problem
impressive.
at all.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.